good news again. So now we can again uncomment multiple sections because we have done enough. So you can now uncomment sections 24 until 27. Okay, select command, control and /. Okay, so now 24 to 27 because we have done enough. So we have done the remove entry properly. So we got reminders and also get birthday. So these should just work. Okay, if there's anything that doesn't work, we can always extend our methods. Okay, so if we execute the code, let's try to compare properly. Okay, so we got 4 output to compare. So now the first one there, for 24, we should get number of reminders for January 11th, which doesn't exist, should be 0. That's good. And then 25, B was born on June 16th. There's only one entry there. Okay, 25. Okay, so now over here you can see 25 over here. Okay, that's after we remove just another entry. Okay, you can see 25 over here. That's why. After removing another existing entry C, so now we go down from 2 to 1. Okay, and 26. So now the birthday, we're trying to get a birthday. So B exists, C was just removed. So that's why the birthday is simply null. So that's for 26. Okay, that one also matches. Finally, for 27, so now if you want to remind just June 16, and there's only one person to remind, which is just B. Okay, so now all the 4 sections, they have their output as expected. So now what we should do is convert them into the JUnit test before we finish the section. It's always important to get a complete set of test cases. So later on, if you want to change anything, you want to make sure the change is legitimate, meaning that all the test cases should still pass, get a green bar. Okay, so now let's go to the test over here. So that would be from 24 to 27. Okay, let's go there and then let's type it out first. Add test. So I think, yeah, public void. Okay, just make sure you make no typo. Test 24 to 27. Okay, that's what we have. And now let's put it here. And let's now get things set up from the previous one. Okay, just make sure you have the initial 3 entries, birthday book. Okay, after this line here, we got A, B, and C. And then we try to remove A. And after removing A, we got only B and C. Okay, after that, so now this is number 24. Okay, to remind will simply just be a string array. Okay, so now over here, let's see how we can assert. So assert equals over here. So now we want to make sure the only one to remind will just be 1. Okay, that's for number 24. Okay, let's double check. For 24 over here, you can see that, oh, actually it should be 0 because the birthday does not exist. It's good that we check. So this should just be 0. And what about 25 over here? And for 25 here, after removing that, so for 25, we should get only one entry, which is B was born on June 16. Let's just copy from the previous method there. So now let's just get the expected string over there. Okay, so let's see. That's all we need. Okay, so now for 25 over there, so now let's see what the expected string is. It should just be B here and only one entry. Let's double check. If you go back to 25, there are only one entries in the book. B was born on June 16. Okay, so now we can now do the assertion here. Assert equals, and you can have expected BB2 string. Okay, so now let's do 26. And for 26 over here, this one can go away. So now we can try to get B's birthday. Okay, let's see 26. Okay, the birthday for B will be June 16, and for C it will just be null. Okay, so let's do the following. So let's convert this into assert equal. And then B's birthday should be June 16, right? Yeah, you can see that also from here, this string output June 16th. And then that will be the toString value from bb.getBirthday. And over here, we can say because C does not exist anymore, right? C does not exist anymore, only B. In that case, we can say assert true. Or you can say assert null, okay? Because we know that it's now going to return null for some non-existing name for getBirthday, as we learned from the previous section. Finally, we can get section 27. So we're creating a new birthday which does not exist. And 27, you can see that, oh, actually does exist. And there's only one person to remind, which is B. Okay, you should always check the requirements. Okay, so now we'll say assert true over here, and there's only one person to be reminded, and also we have the person that's to be reminded is B. Okay, let's put B over here, and then we are done. And just make sure everything still pass. Okay, so just make sure fix the typo. Okay, everything compiles, so we got 24 until 27. Okay, let's now run all the test cases. Okay, so now so far we have got accumulated 20 test cases, and all of them pass.